Welcome to second session of Grasshopper tutorial. In this session, we want to create a circle with input geometry from Rhino to Grasshopper first. Okay, let's do it. We select point in Rhino and put the point on Rhino, and we every time we want to input a geometry from Rhino to Grasshopper, we must select geometries in this tab, Params, Geometry, and select point, because we want to connect the point geometry in Rhino to Grasshopper. Okay, select on point from displays, and if we have the one point, we just right click on point and select set one point. If we more than one point, we must select set multiple point. Okay, I select set one point and select one point on Rhino. Okay, we have this point in Rhino, now in Grasshopper. Okay. If we want to create circle, we need to double click on canvas and type circle. Okay, we face to many circle components. Circle, yes, circle 3 points, circle with normal vector, and the other circles component. We must select on this circle, create a circle defined by base plane and radius. Okay, we have two inputs, base plane that we can connect this point to base plane, okay, and radius. Okay, we can connect any numbers, double click on canvas and type 5, okay, to radius, and change it, and the result is changing. Okay, the result of circle component is a curve, and we already divide a curve, and now we want to divide the circle curve, and we want some points with equal distance on a circle. Okay, double click on a canvas and type divide curve. Okay, and connect the result of circle component to the inputs, the curve inputs of divide curve component. Okay, and double click on canvas and type, for example, 6. Press enter and connect this number slider to count of divide curve component. Okay, we have 6 points in result of divide curve component. I want to create second circles on this point, so I double click on the canvas and type circle again. Okay, I select this circle. In this time, I connect the points of result of divide component to base plane. Okay, I have 6 circles. And for a radius, we can connect any number, for example 5, to radius and change it. But we can, okay. I want to adjust the radius of the circles so that they are tangent to each other. How can I get this number? For finding the number of the radius that when we connect it to the radius input of second circles, we see the second circles tangent to each other. We must find a distance of any 2 points that are next to each other. For finding the distance of 2 points that are next to each other, we must first select these 2 points from a list of points that they are result of divide curve component. Okay, we have a list of points. We can see list of points with panel it's enough to select on panel and connect the points list to panel, and we can see 7 points. Any lists in Grasshopper, any lists in Grasshopper begin with 0, and we have 7 items from 0 to 6 in this list. Okay. I want to select select point number 0 and select point number 1. Okay. For select any item from any list, we can use this component. Double click on canvas and type list item. Okay. This component is one of many components that work with lists, and you can see these components in this tab, sets and lists. Okay, we select list item and work with another components in this tab in next sessions. Okay, where is our list point? We connect to list item in list input and type 0, enter, press enter, and if I select on this item, I can see point number 0 in Rhino viewport. Okay, I delete this number for radius and move second circle and copy paste list item for select the points that next to point number 0, point number 1, and we can see point number 1, point number 0, and both of them. Okay, for finding distance of these 2 points, we can double click on canvas and type distance. It's too simple. Okay, point A and point B, and if we connect the panel to result of distance component, we can see the result of distance. We can see the distance of any 2 points are next to each other. Okay, delete this panel. I use this panel just for seeing the number of distance. Okay, and I connect distance to radius of second circles. And wow, it is not the result I want to get. Okay, what do you think? Why this result is happening? Because the distance of 2 points that are next to each other is diameter of the circles that are tangent to each other. Okay, we must divide this distance because we need the half of this distance. Okay, for division, for finding division component, we must double click on canvas and press a division sign on keyboard and press enter. Okay, first number is distance, second number is 2. Select panel, double click, type 2 and select on canvas. Okay, connect to the B input, connect the panel to distance 3.4, connect the panel to result of division 1.7. yes, it's correct, okay, connect it, and what we see the second circles are tangent to each other. Okay, when we change the radius of first circle and count of division of first circle, we can see the second circles are tangent to each other yet. Okay, we can drag these items, these points, and with press shift on keyboard and drag and press scroll on mouse and select preview off, and we can see just circles. And let me to off preview of circle, first circle, and we can see just second circles. Okay, this is amazing, this is amazing. And let me to move the point of Rhino. Okay, we can see the result is moved. Okay, for saving this file we must to save Grasshopper file and save Rhino file, and when we want to see the result of our work, we must open Rhino and Grasshopper at the same time. Okay, I hope it wasn't difficult. Let's move on to the next